The figure shows the two tissues. The figure 2.1 shows the epidermal tissue of the plant, and the figure 2.2 shows the blood tissue of the animal. The question is, name the cells labeled A, B, C, and D. Cell A is the epidermal cell. Cell B is the guard cell. Cell C is the red blood cell, and cell D is the white blood cell. Other part of the question is, state the functions of cells A, B, C, and D. Cell A, the epidermal cell, its function is protection. Cell B, the guard cell, undergoes the process of photosynthesis, and in between the two guard cell there generates a pore called stoma through which the exchange of gases takes place. Cell C, the red blood cell, carries oxygen. Cell D, the white blood cell, it produces the antibodies which put the germs together, and the white blood cells also ingest the germs. This question is related to PBA biology, and it is about the food tests. Material A was cut into two pieces, A1 and A2, that were sliced and crushed. A1 was placed in water. It was then shaken and divided into two parts, A and B. A2 was placed in a dry test tube. Benedict solution added in A1A, and the biuret reagent added in A1B, and iodine solution is added in A2. The question is, state the color of the contents immediately after the reagents were added. So in A1A, Benedict solution added, the immediate color is blue. In A1B, the biuret reagent added, the immediate color is blue. And in A2, iodine solution added, so immediate color is brown. Then the other part of the question is, complete the table 2.1. A1A, the observation, orange precipitate, and conclusion that it contains a lot of reducing sugar. A1B, blue solution, this is the observation, blue solution, and it had the biuret solution or reagent in it. So the conclusion is that it does not contain the protein. Negative test for protein. And A2, the blue-black color, and what we added in that? We added iodine solution. So the conclusion is that it contained the starch, because it is the color for the positive test of starch. Students, you can see the blood tissue, and you can be asked questions in your PBA biology. The two cells labeled here, and you can identify these cells. Cell A, the white blood cell. Cell B is the red blood cell. You can be asked the question in the difference of these two cells. Cell A, the white blood cell contains the nucleus. Cell B, the red blood cell, doesn't contain nucleus, and there is a difference of pigment. White blood cell doesn't contain the pigment, and the red blood cell contains the pigment, hemoglobin, the red pigment. And there is a difference of shape as well. The cell B, the red blood cell, is biconcave in shape, and cell A is not biconcave in shape. You can see the difference in the size as well. And you can be asked question, from this blood tissue that identify the four components of the blood tissue. So the four components, the two components, these two cells, the red blood cell, white blood cells, and these dot-like structures, they represent the platelets. These are the fragments of the cells. These are actually not the cells, but the fragments of the cells, and their function is to clot the blood. They prevent the bleeding of the blood. And this part, this where these cells and the platelets, they are contained, that is called the plasma. This clear part, this is the plasma, the fluid or liquid part of the blood. It contains the blood cells, platelets, plus dissolved substances.